Club Squeegee for the win. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Out of the Den. Sorry I ain't been on the bike in a while. It's been cold and my old gloves weren't doing it. Just picked up these from Harley Davidson. I don't know if you can see them or not, but you know, they're nice winter gloves. I'll do a live review on the next cold day just to, you know, check them out. But, you know, so far as you can tell, it's wet. You know, they've kept my hands dry, they kept my hands warm. It's a little chilly, it's probably around 50 right now. And of course they have this nifty little squeegee on the thumb, which really comes in handy. So today I just wanted to give you all a little update. I'm gonna be doing a few reviews, like on the gear I use, my helmet and camera setup, my bike, you know, stuff like that. I'm still gonna get into some of my gear bags, like my bug out bag, my camping bag, you know, stuff like that. Still trying to find a good day to do a rappelling video. I gotta drive like an hour or so, you know, away from my house to go rappelling, and I just don't have. I went to go the other day and there was like absolutely like no freaking parking. So, you know, that's coming, I promise. You know, I got a few other things in the works. I got one really big thing working out, and it involves the Virginia Army National Guard, particularly my old unit. There's probably a slim to none chance that it's going to happen, but I'm trying to work something out and get y'all a video dealing with them. But hey, you know, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, you know, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all later. Ride safe, God bless, and what have you done today to get out of the den? Later. Oh, and one more thing. I hope you all enjoyed the new intro and the music. Big thanks to my buddy Bo, you know, for getting that music. It's all original. He did it all by hand. You know, thanks a lot, man. And peace.